When I was in jail, I started going to school and I liked it. I tapped in with a couple of teachers that told me, "Hey man, just check it out, man. Go try it." The teachers right there, man, they spoke my language. You know what I'm saying? And that kind of just blew my mind. I was like, "Damn, man, these people are well educated." And I go, "Damn, man, that's what's up." You know, the guy was just encouraging me. He's like, "Man, just go, man. You know, just go, try to get your high school diploma, and you never know. I might, you know what I'm saying, extend a helping hand and get you a job. Well, you never know, but that paper matters. You know what I'm saying? They see beyond that stuff, and it make me feel comfortable, at ease. Like I said, when they spoke to me, no, I knew for a fact they were being sincere. You know what I'm saying? The way they carry themselves, the respect. You know what I'm saying? The environment. I'm saying they encourage you. They made me feel like, man, come on, man, you could do it. I used to truck it. They used to come here and correct me and, go about their business. And then it was cool. You know what I'm saying? It was real cool, mellow, chill. The first day I got here, I was all over the place. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know what to expect. And yeah, the nerves were, what I'm saying, getting the better out of me. But hey, just kick back and just went with the flow. And I've been here ever since. Everybody goes through life struggles, and you know what I'm saying? So I'm still going through my little journey myself. If they want it, they could get it. They have to put a little bit of their effort. You already know what going backwards is all about. You know what I'm saying? You've been there, you've done that. And that's the motivation for you to try to change. It's been a good experience.